Hi everybody, just jumping on to give you guys an update and remind you about the upcoming chili growing workshops, which are happening in April this year. So the workshops are led by Phil, who is our longest standing member of the horticultural team. He's been here nearly 10 years now. So as you can imagine, he's got a huge amount of chili knowledge to share with you all. You will be doing the workshop in this area that I'm standing in, which is undercover, you'll be glad to know, but also has this fabulous view of the crop tunnels behind me. So this will be the venue for your chili learning adventure. Phil has got loads and loads of stuff planned out to cover with you. He's going to be talking about germinating chili seeds, pricking them out, growing them on, best ways to water and feed them to keep them healthy. He's also going to be talking about some of the pitfalls like pests and diseases that can afflict chilies, which is really important to cover because a lot of those will affect us as well. So they're definitely a good chance they could affect you as a grower at home. So he's got loads of jam-packed info for you to share, and most importantly, lots of seedlings for you to experiment with. You will be guaranteed to take home as many as you can carry. There's always lots of varieties to pick from, lots of different seedlings at different stages of growth for you to handle and to get experience with. Not forgetting, of course, that your ticket gives you 10% off on everything in our farm shop on the day, which is a nice extra for you. So that's including all our sauces, chocolates, seeds, growing equipment, anything that takes your fancy on the day. So we hope that you will be able to join us in April at one of our growing workshops, and we'll see you soon.